Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you Auxito LED light. This is 9005. It has also high brightness, easy to install, waterproof, quick start, and fast heat dissipation. And this one is H8, H9, H11. I bought this for my Camry. Let's go ahead and open it. Zip tie. There is also a user manual which explains how to install it and what the specifications are for this light bulb. Okay, this is the LED light. As you see, there's a fan. That's it. Let's see the other one. It has the same thing, I think. It has the same thing. I'm gonna go ahead and install it to my car, and let's see. Says 9005. Let me go ahead and put this one there. You know, look at the difference. Let me see. Go ahead and put it there. I'm gonna put that one somewhere, but right now. I'm gonna go ahead and take this out. This one is another one. I'm gonna go ahead and put it there. Let me see if it's working. As you see, right side it's not that bright. Left side is the light. Auxito. It seems very bright, but this one it's not bright like that one. It's too hot. While you're doing that, just wait for a while to cool it down. Don't forget to check it out first if it's working or not before you put in place. It's working. So right there. Alright, let me show you the low beam and high beam. This is low beam and this is high beam. Okay, low beam. Thank you so much for watching and see you next video.